The product factory inspection system is also called final inspection or finished product inspection system. It is to inspect the quality of finished products after completion, and its purpose is to ensure that unqualified finished products will not leave the factory or be put into storage, so as to ensure the interests of users and the reputation of the enterprise itself. It ensures the safety of product quality entering the circulation field. Next, we will introduce the specific steps on how to inspect the product before shipping. 1. Use the test demonstration box to light up the product, and then test the display effect of each color and image of the product: white, red, green, blue, portrait, etc. 2. Gradient color. Test the smoothness of color display. 3. Horizontal line, vertical line. Test the interference level of the analog signal. The basic parameters are as follows. If you are interested in this model, please leave a message or contact us.